Hello, good day, viewers, and God bless you one more time. I am once again your brother Chima Prince Mata, bringing greetings to you all from my location, wherever you are watching me from. I want to say thank you for dropping by to watch my video. If you're new and a first-time visitor to this channel, welcome indeed to this our wonderful family channel. And if you have not subscribed already, look right down there by the right hand down below this video. You will see a red subscribe button. Click on it and put on the notification bell to all, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified directly. And the new video is being uploaded by brother Chima Prince Mata. To my lovers and viewers who are yet to subscribe to my channel, possibly you forgot to subscribe, please kindly check it out. Possibly you forgot to subscribe. Like my videos, share my videos, and comment on the comment section. To my returning subscribers, I will not forget to give you a thumbs up always, because without you I will not be here so far. As many of you that have shown me kind ways in one way or the other, I pray for you that my God will reward you at his own time, wherever you are in need, and so shall it be. Now, once again, to first-timer visitors to this particular channel, on this channel, we talk about spirituality. We give our spiritual tips, spiritual recipes. We discuss on how to use natural resources to solve the problems of mankind by harnessing their spiritual energy, vibration, and frequencies. Yes, herbs, mineral resources, roots, plant, whatever that is natural that God has created, because God gives man all that he created in custody to the goodness of man. Today, I am going to be talking about a particular plant that is one of the strongest, potent, and the most effective curse-breaking plants, so filled with elements and energies that repairs and cleans negativities, no matter how strong they are, no matter how you contacted them. Which plant am I talking about here? I am talking about the Scentleaf. Yes, it's a common plant that is even used as a spice for cooking your jollof rice, for cooking your stew, for cooking your pepper soup. Is one of the beautiful spices that you can use to cook. It is very sweet with nice aroma, but is highly spiritual. So now, so many people are under curses without them knowing, and some know and they are aware that they are under curses. And remember, when a man is under a curse, nothing good works for that man. Yes, when a man is under a curse, believe you me, nothing good works for that man. What is a curse? I can say a curse is an evil that blocks the energy of a person. A curse is an evil that puts a person in bondage. It drives good thing that is coming your way. It brings unnecessary hatred, unnecessary rejection. You begin to have series of negative nightmare, evil things around you because you are under a curse. The English people call it spell or bewitchment. And curse is a result of one carelessness, one mistake, one inheritance, one evil of somebody. But worry not, God has shown us the way to break out from every evil cause. Even if you are legally cursed or generational curse, God is here to see you through. I am here with the curse breaker called Scentleaf, and the Igbo people call it Nchuanwu. Nchuanwu means something that pursued ants, and we call it, the English name is called Scentleaf. So now, how are we going to do this? Hold on, don't touch that dial. Make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Let me advertise small. I have spiritual potent materials to sell. I have soaps tested and trusted. I have been shipping to people all over the world, and everybody got my product are happy at the end of the day. If you are under attack after you use my soap, the attack will stop. If you are under affliction, things are not working, bad luck everywhere, the curse breaking soap is here. The road opening soap is here. The anti-witchcraft soap is here. Favor soap is here. Love and attraction soap is here. The soap to remove the eyes of the wicked on your body is available. Wherever you are in this part of the world, you will get your product at your doorstep. Just chat me on WhatsApp or give me a call, as I am open to communication. My number is 07088136610. And for those of you who are in abroad, who are in different kind of the world, you can call me. You can dial +234 7088136610. None of my customers, none of my followers that has called me, they will testify that I answer every call. I answer everybody. That is by the way. You want pankane oil? You want original honey? You want iginla? You want anti-poison oil? You want prosperity oil? Just get in contact with me. You will get them delivered to your doorstep. Bam. We go back to the Scentleaf. How do you use Scentleaf to break out every curse? You are under the curse of poverty, the curse of miscarriage, the curse of delay, the curse of disappointment, under attack. Now, I am here to reveal to you what you will do with Scentleaf. Get your big pot and get me Scentleaf. A lot of Scentleaf, enough of Scentleaf, as big as you can fill your pot. Add water to it. Then start to boil it. Boil it for like 40 minutes to 1 hour. Then you bring it down. After you bring it down, take it to a place and kept it there for it to cool down, because you don't need to add it another water. If you add it any other water after boiling it, you have spoiled the ritual. After boiling the scent leaf, you bring it down. What are you going to do when you bring it down? You cover it with your towel. When you cover it with your towel, you start to pray. Any cause of any man, any cause of any woman, any inherited cause, knowingly or unknowingly, causing disappointment, causing delay, causing hardship, causing rising and falling, bringing attack, causing sickness, causing setback, breaking up my relationship. Every cause of any man, any cause of any woman that I am under, that is not making me to marry, causing barrenness, causing disappointment. Today, as I take this bath, as Scentleaf adds spice, is a good spice to the man, so shall today my life will has meaning. I break out from every inherited cause, from any cause of any woman, from any cause of any man, from everything causing setback. I begin to break you. After you have done that, then get that same water, pour it in your bucket, take it to the bathroom. Do not add any other water to it. If you add water to it, you have spoiled the ritual. You don't need the soap, you don't need the soap, you don't need the sponge. Once you open it, read Psalm 35, read Psalm 29, and read Psalm 91. Then after that,